Here's a fun one for today. Ice samples show ancient link between wildfires and climate change, according to the latest study. The link between the two may be older than we originally thought. Researchers at Oregon State University have been analyzing methane stores in Antarctic ice samples. They say an increase in trapped methane gases shows that periods of big climate shifts are accompanied by periods of increased wildfire activity. Researchers say another feature of rapid climate shifts include a change in rainfall in an area. They say more research is needed to fully understand the relationship and which factor came first: wildfires, warming trends, or shifts in rainfall. Kind of sounds like there's different times of the year when different things happen, like a really hot time, global warming, summer. A really cold time, global freezing, winter. And then there's autumn, when everything's uncertain, and then spring with flowers. I wonder what that could mean. We should research more. Here's where you can start. Genesis 8, verse 22. As long as the earth endures, seed time and harvest, cold and heat, summer and winter, day and night will never cease. What people neglect to do, besides trusting God and reading the manual, and being arrogant and confused by their own madness and seeking to be small g gods, is that they don't realize that the same scientists told us not too long ago that the world was going to freeze. We were going into a cooling period. Everything was going to freeze up. It was like a new ice age coming. Now suddenly we flipped the narrative and we're going into a heat wave and everything is going to burn and climate change and we're all going to die and we need to stop carbon, which, by the way, is us too. We need to reduce us so that we can save the world. But all these changes consistently, and never mind the fact that their studies are rubbish because ice is actually increasing at the moment, show you that they're not reading their Bibles. All these things are due to be. And yes, it's going to heat up because we're entering a time of immense judgments, such as never has been before and never will be again. It will be called the Great Tribulation. So bad that men will be scorched by the sun. The Bible says the sun will be removed from its sheath and it will really give off heat. And no, that is not global warming caused by man or cow farts. It is part of judgment lying ahead. Judgment we are not destined to.